How much?
600.
600. One.
1,500.
Even this one. Which one be the 1,000 one? Where the there one? I don't want plenty pocket. Like 500. This one how much now? Hi guys, welcome to another episode of this market vlog. So what can $25 actually get you in Nigerian market today? We know that there is high inflation of goods. Everything is very high, but it's not going to stop us from still shopping for the essential things that we need in the home or in the house. Guys, let me take you to this particular market where you can get any assorted type of things, foodstuffs, home goods, materials that you actually need in your home. Come on, something only six pieces there. Now this one I want to take. Then you put jara. Come on, something might take that one. Three. Now me and my friend will share them. Come on, something. Which bucket are they doing meeting?
I'm not sure.
I don't want plenty buckets, so like 500. This one how much now? 7. Give me 500 now. If you are in Delta State or you're in Warri and you're looking for fresh food, fresh items, fresh vegetables, this is the market where you can get it. Whether you're a retailer or you're a wholesaler, this market is located at Warri Sapele Road and is normally called a Warri Sapele Road Market. That is what I call it. You can see that the garden egg is very fresh, and she sold that particular one. She was selling for 500 naira. Now I bought that tangerine for 500 naira as well. You can see that the market is a very big market, accommodating all types. This one, how many liters? That you can find here. How much? 4,000. Wow, because I beg, I don't want any this thing. Which one be a homie? I won't even buy that sachet like 2.
This one.
No, that one they cheap. I beg.
This one. That one.
It's the same thing now. No, that one no go full am.
I like the top. And that one, 2 of it is 2, which is 2,1.
I buy them 2,000 last. Why I come?
No. On the same.
I don't know the name of the children. I say na dokoro. But again, one buy. Don't finish. No, nothing again. I don't want plenty sachet for my soup. What with it? No. You get simplicity.
Spicy.
No, the red one. Where do they use this to? Oh yeah, check now. This one they go
500.
500. This one plus 600. This one the roll now how much?
1, 2.
1, 2. This one how much?
I don't calculate before, sir. 800. No, if you calculate for your own sister.
750.
Okay.
I am getting
I will give you.
Now what they sell them?
Thank you.
This star how much?
600.
600. This one.
1,500.
Even this one, you don't come on anything. If I go a full market now, you go there easier.
No, you go come tell me. 20 naira.
1.5. I think I'm done. How much?
5.
Which now they use do?
How you go for use a CBK for make and sweet? Too much na this na problem.
Exactly.
Sister.
Put everything in. Make it day moderate. Where they sell that onions? Okay. Well done. How much is you know get the one where they bigger than this one?
It's very this one. Like it.
No be buckets, all this shell.
I'm 5,000. How much?
Of course, I beg.
How much you want to pay? I was
Not be 2,000. You see, you go sell for me.
See, mama. This one is like 55,000. This one. No, this one. You come out. You take it out. No, mama, you never come out. I like that actually.
They call me. This one, how much?
This one. Give me 3.5. Give me 3.5.
How much last?
How much?
You don't give me 2,000.
No, 2,000.
Small ones even full and small ones even there inside them. What place is you go? Hey, wait. So right now I am at the tomato section. Over the months, the tomato has been on top of one of the highest expensive goods you can get in the markets. They were even buying a basket of tomatoes for 150,000 naira, but right now it has come down to like 20,000. This box of tomato right now is going for like 9,000 naira in the market. Now how much last, Toga? You know, give me 1,000. This one way you don't stamp them.
This one 3,000.
This one's how much? This one. Nigeria, uncle. This one. The prices of tomatoes are very better right now. Honestly, you can't buy this amount of tomatoes 2 months ago. So this one is sold for 1,500 naira per basket, and the bigger one is sold for 3,000 naira. I don't buy one that side. No, not be now. Last month I was here now. I buy for it. Put jara. You don't put any jara. How much is the shampoo? How much is it?
2,000.
For waiting. It's like a tomato paper no deal. Now what's nice?
Hello, Malcolm.
How much?
2,000. No, that's it. Soft. I get 500. I get 1,000.
I think it's on there. I think it's on there. Okay.
These tomatoes when you see a nice full 2,000. No, that's full and well.
Which one be the 1,000? This one, Uncle, how much?
Sister, look people buckets when you see it. Mommy won't do my hours. I won't send my hours. Then they don't want to pay me.
500 naira.
Where your sister?
Bucket last now.
Today on said even good. Yesterday 30,500. Today na 25,500.
Yeah, they sell a fresh ugu for this market. Give me one. This one I waste in pepper. How much? 2,000. Plus the pepper, they don't touch them.
Which kind of pepper? Touch them. I did pepper.
Who will touch them? Ujara o malamo. This pepper they hot. Why did they laugh? They hot.
It's an house pepper. You hot very well.
You know which pepper it is? Irish. Okay, which?
Hi, madam.
How much is the okra? 2,000. Which one be the 500? You can't come, Abby. Where the one where the sweet pass? I mean this. Okay, for here. This side now. Okay. Thank you. So while still shopping in the market, I now opted to buy some granules that I wanted to buy. This is the first time I'm going to buy fresh granules to try and fry the granules. And I also decided to buy some soya bean for milk. I wanted to do soya bean milk. And the soya bean is sold for, I bought 1,000 naira soya bean and the granules is bought for 1,700. So this crayfish was sold for 500 naira for this milk cup, and I think crayfish is coming out right now unlike before. So just remaining 2 items to go. I bought meat for 6,500 naira, which my phone went off, and the orange that I bought for 500 naira. And thank you for always watching. This is the end of this video. The tomato, I got it for 1,500 and the pepper for 3,000 naira, guys. See you next time.